customer. This is Catherine from Anderson Industrial Corporation Limited. Today, I would like to introduce about our lease pass. This is stainless steel material. I think this is a little complicated process to make this part. Let me explain. Firstly, we CNC turning our outside shape, then fix on the 4-axis CNC machining to CNC milling loose slot. You see, fix on the 4-axis machine, then the CNC turning will be turning auto, then CNC machine the slot. And the other side, we can turn around, fix on the 4-axis machine, then to CNC milling the slot. You see, this slot is not strict, so we need to use the 4-axis machine to mill in the slot. And the surface, you see, looks very beautiful because we did the electromechanical polish. You see, it's very beautiful. Welcome to contact us if you need a CNC machining pass.